How to win the money game and earn financial freedom. Do you know that making money is a game with rules and you can either win or lose? It is your responsibility to know how to make money, manage money, and possibly pass it on to your posterity. Now, it's probably not your fault that you're struggling with money. Let's be honest, the school system does not teach us about it. We are taught to get good grades and secure a high-paying job without any financial education. And it's quite funny because a large percentage of our lives as humans revolves around money. By the end of this video, you will learn how to win the money game and gain financial freedom. Let's dive right in. It's a mind game. You may not know it, but this is why some people get rich quickly while others struggle financially. Earning financial freedom is a psychological game. Some experts have called it the money blueprint. We have all been programmed to respond differently to money. The rich have a surplus mindset while the poor have a scarcity mindset. You can never win the money game with a scarcity mindset. According to writer T. Harv Eker, you can have all the knowledge and skills in the world, but if your blueprint isn't set for success, you are financially doomed. To stress this even further, what will you do if you receive $1 million right now? Will you quickly swing into an investment spree or will you enter a shopping frenzy? The latter is an attitude from someone with a scarcity mindset. Do you even think you deserve $1 million? Feeling undeserving will make you overcompensate by entering a shopping spree. This negative view of money will subconsciously sabotage your chances of making and keeping wealth. Wealthy people understand that money is a tool to help you achieve your dreams and live a stress-free life rather than being the ultimate goal. Write down your financial goals. Do you have financial goals? Have these goals been broken down to annual, monthly, weekly, or even daily milestones? Do you even know why you need money? Writing down your goals will help you become accountable to yourself and give you more reasons to seek financial freedom. The more goals you have, the higher your drive to make more money. Whether your goal is to take that vacation you have always wanted, to get rid of debts for good, or to escape the 9-to-5 grind, write it down. You may not achieve all your financial goals in a month, but you would make significant progress by the end of the year. This is also mental, because seeing yourself reach one milestone will encourage you to push for the next. Write down your financial goals and start achieving them. Pay yourself first. Do you realize that you may have spent your entire life paying others without realizing it? Even when you feel like you are living the good life and giving yourself a treat, chances are that you are only paying someone else. From sumptuous restaurant meals, luxury fashion items, Netflix subscriptions, electricity bills, school fees, and groceries, you're totally paying other brands. Paying yourself first implies setting aside a percentage of your income for investment every month. This should come before other bills. You must have heard the saying, spend what is left after saving. A recent survey reveals that only 23% of Americans have enough emergency savings to last 6 months of expenses. Sadly, about 26% of Americans don't have any emergency savings. Make it a habit to save a minimum of 10% of your weekly or monthly income. The purpose of doing this is to grow it for your future. Remember that money is only a tool to make more money. Rich people are able to win the money game because they have more money to invest. Poor people, on the other hand, have spent their entire income servicing bills, living from paycheck to paycheck. After paying yourself and raising a significant amount of money, ensure that your money works for you. Do this by investing in a business, stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. A successful investment will increase your chances of saving more and making more money in the long run. As a bonus tip, don't put all your eggs into one basket. Start diversifying your investments as quickly as possible. Spend less and track it. The final tip on how to win the money game and earn financial freedom is to spend less and keep a record of where the money is going to. Do you know that despite being worth several billions of dollars, Warren Buffett still lives in his 5-bedroom home that was purchased for $31,500 in 1958? No doubt, he can afford a bigger and more expensive home, but his frugality is probably one of the reasons why he's among the world's richest people. Remember that your assets feed you, while your liabilities eat you. Don't spend more than you need to. When shopping, make a list and stick to it. Pricier items don't always mean superior quality. Spending less will help you earn financial freedom in two ways. First, you will have more money to put into your savings, and then you will understand that it is possible to survive on less. In conclusion, it is possible for anyone to win the money game. Just like athletes who go through rigorous training and discipline themselves, you can gain financial freedom by taking the right steps. Winning the money game is a learnable skill, and you too can win. I'd like to cap it all up with an acronym to guide you on your journey. GAME. Have a game plan. Allocate your resources. Make money. Employ your money to work for you.